Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming up with another really cool product we've been really impressed by. It's from MXLmics.com. It's the MXL BCD-1. It's the live broadcast dynamic microphone from them. And we've been reviewing a number of MXL products on the show. Be sure to search for those as well. We've been using it with the boom bundle that you get with the big arm stand and other different things that come with the bundle unit. So be sure to search for that review. I have loved it. If you're hearing my voice right now, you're hearing me use the BCD-1 mic. And it's a wonderful mic. You're feeling very sleepy. Your eyes are getting tired. I just love the feel and the sound of the mic. It's just wonderfully warm. Rich tones. It's pretty much designed to make your vocals stand out in any performance or recording. It's got a swivel built-in mount that allows for perfect positioning when combined with the optional MXL BCD stand. The dynamic broadcast mic delivers a bright sound. I love its warmth. I love its depth, how I can get right in here and talk to you really quietly and stuff. Just kind of a really nice sort of wonderful thing. You can use this for music recording as well if you like. It's got excellent side rejection that's great in a noisy room. It's got a tune grill that eliminates internal reflections. It's built-in shock mount that prevents unwanted noise. And it's also excellent for recording vocals for music. A dynamic mic with a frequency response of 40 hertz to 15 kilohertz, Cartoid pattern on it, 600 ohms of impedance, and the weight is pretty light. It's 1.2 pounds. Even comes with a box you can take and carry it with. Comes with a black finish, and there's all sorts of windscreens you can get with it, or pop filters as well. You can order those from the folks. I got to tell you, I was super impressed with it, and I love it. In fact, I love it so much, we're using it now. So how about them apples? So be sure to check it out. Go to their website at mxlmics.com. And if you want to hear more of what it sounds like, go to the Chris Voss Show and listen to some of our podcasts, because we've been using it for quite a few now, actually. So there's that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We certainly appreciate you guys. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button at Chris Voss on YouTube.com, and we'll see you there next time. Thanks for tuning in.